Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to make row and column border in Excel. So first you need to select the cells and then press the control key and select the rows as well. And even you can select the columns. Make sure you should press the control key like this one. And then go to the home tab on the ribbon and in the font group look for the border icon. And here it is, click the drop down arrow next to it and select the all borders to add lines around every cell in your selection and click here, and here you can see that. So if you want to customize the border line style or color, so for this you need to click on the home tab again and click on this small arrow. Click on the border tab and here you can select the style of the line. For example, I'll select the dotted line. Select the color. For example, you can select the red color. And now in the preset you can make sure to click on the outline and click OK to proceed. And here you can see that. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can make row and column border in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.